Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look at the XPL Plasma targets updates with my custom indicator set. Globally, guys, I'm still waiting and I'm still believe the Plasma will reach at least $1.49, $1.61 this target and around $2.04. After that, we need to draw totally another levels because this model will be done. Invalidation of this idea if the Plasma will drop under 4 cents. So I highly recommend you go and check the first video what I posted about Plasma after listing. So I highly recommend you also use the just simple free tutorial initiation accumulation pump model based on the volume VRVP levels. Now we're in a crucial level around, let's zoom in, this one. So we are under the best zone to buy. So this one, 30 cents and 21, it was the best option to accumulation based on this model. And take a look how the price respect the level. So this level is relevant, but also the invalidation is relevant. So we can't know the future and we can only build our plan, based on own risk management. So for example, you build a plan, I'm buying here, and for example, buying here. 3 orders for the spot with some equal amount of money. Your average entry will be approximately like 16 cents, for example. If you bought here at 30 cents and 21, your average entry now around 25. So yes, you can be in temporary losses, but you accept the risk because without the risk, you can't make money here. Now the point of control based on the volume, based on this range since October 22 till now is here. So this is going to be the first trouble area. It's 1644. And after that, we will move higher to the 50 EMA and the 100 EMA. So important level to not drop under this liquidity pool under the 1146, because if we will drop, yes, it can be slowly but surely. The same story like with the Starknet or for example Iovo, or I guess the Altlayer and many other altcoins, Dimension. So the same story, the same leasing model. So the point of control now is 1644 done based on this one opens everything in one place now. It's a tiny range like here 1662 and 1616. So it's weekly open, monthly open, yearly open, all in one place, right? So it's so important. Now go to 50 EMA, climb it to the 100 EMA, and after that build an uptrend structure. So higher high and a lower high. All right, let's take a look now, guys, with a weekly time frame. Of course, everything relevant because it's initiation accumulation pump model. We're gonna pump to 51, 65, full fill of weekly gap, and this is the target. And maybe this is going to be the end of cycle for the Plasma. We can't know. For example, approximately it can be like 1,200% gains and 61 Leba fee, 1,600% gains. It's more than real. So $2.04 is going to be the end of cycle for this token. We can't know in the future, but we can build a plan. And for example, if you want to buy now at 14, it's more than okay to buy. You can buy and at 29 cents at around 78 Leba fee, you withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens and write with the free tokens to the even to the moon, to the new all-time high or so. All right, so locally also on a daily under. So there is no gaps, nothing. Only where we can retest if we're gonna drop lower. It's can be the order block. Order block on the daily if we use the order block by candle, body candle. So this is the order block, but I don't think so. We're going to retest it. If we will, maybe I will open the long position because it can be the good entry, like a 16% stop loss with second leverage, for example. And the target will be this one, 100 EMA. So makes sense. Like 16 against the over than 280. So I'm gonna add alert here, just basic alert by price. So this is for futures. To open trade now, maybe we can try it, but stop loss under this week, so it's 10% stop loss. Yes, you can try it. You can try it even open today, but I don't want to touch this one. Now, let's hide the global FIB and double check the local one. If this is like impulse, you can see even without a FIB, so it's approximately under than 61 level FIB. I'm more than sure. So here, impulse, 78. So in this area, so 1363, 1290, it's also maybe makes sense to try open long. Of course, much better at a order block, but at this order block maybe already playing out. So we gotta like impulse, retest the order block and go higher. So I add alert, gonna put it here a little bit higher. And yes, between the 1363, 1290, maybe I will open a long position. Stop loss in this case on the order block, the same I guess risk ratio will be. So approximately if we open here, 9. So yes, the same 16% was a second leverage against the over than 280, 200 EMA on the daily. So this is a local trade, can be. Now let's double check locally with indicator sets. Global targets, guys, you can track with this set by yourself on the weekly time frame and a higher time frames. Locally, what we can see here. Now in the middle, so ADZ neutral. Direction is also neutral. No signal, no sell, no buy. This is what I think we will see. It's a correction. Yes, to this order block maybe, because here was accumulation. Now we're in the neutral zone, so we can form something like this one. And yes, it can be the invalidation and the divergence. I hope we will not see divergence, but it's possible to see something like this one, you know, sweep again liquidity. I hope not. Of course, the 10 cents is so attractive, like round number, but I hope the market maker will not drop to price to 10 cents. Direction, no signal for accumulation now. Highly recommend you guys use all this set. By the way, you can use the dashboard, just all in one. You know, just a small dashboard on your screen, and you can adjust the time frames up to you. You know, and track it every single indicator. All right, so market mood. It's daily disbelief. Maybe makes sense to wait the capitulation. So let's add alerts also for capitulation on a daily. Markets mood, capitulation zone. All right, 12 time frame. Daily, it's positive. That's why, yes, if, for example, BTC Monday will open in the correction to 80, for example, 9K, 86K, yes, we're going to drop to the order block and even form the 10 cents sweep liquidity pool. Now it's positive in the market mood, so it's not a disbelief or so. But soon, I hope we will see again disbelief, or at least capitulation on 12 time frame. Money power, no money in, yes, yet. 12 time frame, no money in yet. So let's add alert, money in on 12 time frame. Something like this one we need to see. 1, 2, 3. 3 12-hour candles was money in, drop, and bounce. We bounced it pretty good, around 80%. That's why I wish to see the same story. Again, for potential futures trade. I don't want to accumulate XPL for the spot. I don't want to accumulate any token for the spot now. Trade on, buy, sell, buy, take profit, sell. Let's add alert to take profit from the sales. Trade on, take profit. Now no take profit signal. So it means no signal to close our short position. Daily time frame, no signal to sell, and I hope we will not see the signal to sell. So we need to see that signal take profit from the sales and maybe another signal to buy. So for me, it's going to be the great confirmation. On 4 time frame also, here's a sell, only buybacks, no signal to buy. So I wish to see this drop or even the test of order block again. All right, last indicator, guys, is take profit. This one. 4 time frame, I'm not track for the entries. I usually use the 12 time frame and a daily. So if we'll see the divergence on ADZ and once again manipulation on the price, it can be the test of the buy line. It's 10 cents 59. That's why you need to use the stop loss, because even if you open trade here at order block, it's like 32% stop loss, kind of big one for me personally. Daily, we already try hold the line at the buy line. I wish to see the 50% range between the fundamental value and the buy line, so approximately a test of order block, and go higher. Weekly time frame, there is still no data for indicator. Take profit line, guys. On the 12 time frame, it's 21 cents. Exit line 23.78. Daily take profit line is 28.45. Exit line, it's daily 100 EMA. So guys, all targets I showed you. If you let your traders, my customer request I was shown in this video, and add the same alerts, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.